Rain, they're gonna think we're horrible people.
Go. Go on.
Oh my god! Rain, are you okay? Something's wrong with you. Rain, this hour is not the time to laugh.
Oh.
Rain, I'm serious. Rain,
Oh, I'm ready. Go.
a moment of silence so that we can both be serious. Okay. Bro, this is why I can't cry with you, bro. I'm gonna cry.
Let's go.
Okay. Anyway,
Tagalog.
so... Anyway. Kahit anong derecho? Huh? What did I say? Sorry.
Kahit anong diretso.
Rain, you cannot. Stop laughing.
Go.
Stop laughing.
Can you please go on? I'm actually not gonna laugh na.
I think I'm crazy.
Maybe this is like a show for like how to transform normal people to crazy people, bro. Oh my god. No, I'm not laughing anymore. It's not funny anymore.
Okay.
Kaya mo. We actually like growing on a punchable face. Sometimes I wish I...
Okay. Be serious.
No, I have no idea what you're trying to say anymore.
Okay.
Go!
What I was trying to say is that I don't want to be mean, but I know some people often see me as a mean person. I'm not mean. What's wrong with you? I can't talk with you anymore.
Let's go.
You don't find anything serious.
I was serious. It's your fault.
What did I do? I was being
you don't want to
serious.
be looked at as a mean person.
Yes.
Mm.
I'm not mean. I know for a fact that I'm not. What's wrong with you? Naging seryoso na ako.
Oh, just continue. Act like I'm not laughing, you know?
So what? Just continue like... Wait.
Just go. I'm not gonna laugh anymore. Go.
Okay. You think I'm a mean person? Genuinely?
You're only mean to me.
How so? Exactly. I'm not mean to you.
You are.
How?
I'm just nicer to you.
Whoa. How am I mean to you? Answer the question.
No, you're nice.
Exactly.
But you mean.
How?
I don't want to pinpoint everything.
Pinpoint it.
I can't. I'll
Exactly.
just tell you when you do it again. Because I can't.
Can't.
I can't. No. Anyway, yeah, you're a nice person. You're actually a nice person. Genuine, yeah. I wouldn't be friends with someone stupid. Stupid equals bad.
I don't think... I'm not mean. But I'm just not nice as well. I think I'm nice, but I'm not the typical nice.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, but you're not mean. Why? Why are you thinking like that?
Because... I don't know.
Tsaka kita naman yun. Kita nga manonood yun, kaya tiwala lang ko sa sarili.
Nagpapalinis talaga. Nalungkot ako bigla. Nominado pala yun. Akala ko parusa lang. Iyak ko. Sabi ko,
Sabi pa ni John kanina, kukuha number ko. Peace bomb kay Vincent, peace bomb sa akin. Nung manomin eh.
nung nominado.
Sabi ni kay busy ka na. Ngayon ko naman. Nominado pala pag
Nominado, iyak ako. Sabi ko, akala ko parusa lang to eh.
Tinisig mo eh.
Sa isip ko na kung siguro sobrang hirap na sa akin, okay lang. Sobrang na to. Ayaw ko to. Sobra naman to. Papaalisin ba
Tawa
naman?
na siguro sa aking mama ko. Manonominate ako sa pagiging pasaway man.
Bubo doon
Bakit
Avengers.
pinigilan nila na mag-volunteer na si Rain eh?
Sabi,
Pinigilan ni...
sabi pa ni kay Vince eh.
Alam mo naman, December connection ng dalawa. Nagulat din ako nun. Kasi, ano ba? Unang nangyari, binoto mo si Colette. Tapos nag-volunteer si Rain. Tapos pinigilan ni Kai. Hindi binoto si Colette. Ayun na. Daw, ang sabihin natin, marami din talagang violation si Colette. Alam niya sa sarili niya. yun. Pero, ito pa rin talaga. Siyempre, saka mas kilala nila yung sarili nila. Sila yung magkakasama sa kwarto eh.
Hindi ko lang din maano sa sarili ko kasi hindi ko naman kasi alam yung dito.
Wala
Hindi ko
kasi.
mahalos
Nung tinignan ko kasi kayo, si Jess sana kukunin ko nun. Ang problema, kita mo sa mukha ni Jess nakabado eh.
Hindi, nakatingin ako sa'yo. Sabi ko, bigay mo sa akin.
Pero alam ko relax. Eh si Dylan. Tsaka alam ko nang hindi ka rin naman magsisisi sa choice mo.
Kaya akong binoto siya.
Medyo may ano yun eh, yung 6, yung 7. Medyo may tawag dito. Alam na kung anong nilaro na nung pagkatapos ko. Nilaro na nung iba. Actually, kahit no first week, ganyan niya eh. Pagka meron ng isa yung isa, alam na kung paano gagawin. Para,
Kita na eh. Kung may gusto kang iligtas, ibabalance mo.
basta yun lang yung sa akin kanina, si Jaren. Si Benzo, hindi ko na maligtas eh.
Ah.
Biligtas ko rin sana kaso.
Parang,
Nakuha na niya yung,
wala, no?
nakuha na niya yung number.
sabi pa ni kay Misoy. Nominado pala. Diyos ko, Lord.
Yung sa'yo pare, wala. Yung sa'yo, automatic talaga.
Kahit pati hindi ko makuha yung number 1. Papasok ako sa top. Tsaka deserve ko yun. Sa sarili ko yun.
Nakakulungkot dito, no?
Siyempre, alam ko naman nominate ako. Kinuha ko na yung number 1 para magandang tignan yung number.
Ako yung 8 talaga yung gusto ko. Kasi jersey number ko yun. Yun lang talaga rason ko. Pero wala akong track ng violations ko. Hindi ko kasi nabilang na.
Ako, track ako. Parang 4 ata violations ko.
Pagka tumagal ka na kasi hindi mo na maalala. Ang binibilang ko yung araw dito.
Oh,
So madami ng numbers pumapasok sa utak ko.
Yung una dito, sa Luzon, pang. Tapos isa dito, kami ni Kuya Briggs, pang. Ay, 3 lang ata violation ko. 3 pa lang.
Hindi pa nga umabot sa akin
May
ng
sarili
5.
listahan yun si Kuya Matik. Or kung sino ang listahan.
4.
Sino ngayon nagpigil? Sila din. Na nag-volunteer ako. Nakakatawa.
Aminado din naman ako. Minsan, may mga times na ginagawa kong kasiyahan yung violation. Tumatawa naman yung iba. Damay-damay na. Ano.
Yun talaga.
Kasi kahit may mas marami ba, kumbaga, kahit may mas maraming violation sa akin dito sa loob, may mabigat pa rin ako nagawa. Alam ni Kuya yun. Kaya deserve ko yun to. So, gusto ko rin mapil yung below yung mapil. Kasi mapil na nominated. Kasi sabi ni Kuya Dingdong, iba yung feeling talaga eh.
Iba?
Masyado ako nagiging insensitive ba? I-feel. So, halimbawa, kada eviction, literal na wala na ako nararamdaman. Tapos ma-feel ko man yung nasa panel.
Vermont na naman, no? Bisang araw. Kaka-New Year lang. Ano ngayon kaya
August 9, 18.
kusay ito?
Chairman.
Pasok na tayo.
Tara.
Bakit tapos na yung
Ata.
itlog?
Ay, nako.
Rain, Kai.
Kumain na kayo?
Because what I would do is just like, with water.
Exactly. I don't know how to do it.
Me too.
Oh my god.
Why are we like the same here?
Look at you. Excuse you?
No, give me an example where I looked annoyed during this. Please.
There. Here.
Why was Kuya Brick laughing
Where?
when he saw me? And I was thinking, do I look mean because Kuya Bricks is laughing?
Can you put your plate here?
Can you get it instead?
Can this be your plate na lang and then I'll sit here? Put here. Go.
Get it.
Wow. Wow.
It's your time to be nicer.
Excuse you, Rain. I can be nice in different ways. Erica, bye. Something's in your back.
It's chocolate.
What the heck is that? What's your problem? Don't touch my rice.
Mine!
Remove. Put back mine. Is that mine?
That's the one you put.
Exactly, that's mine. Put it sa.
Maging mabuti kang bata dito, ha?
Mabuti kang ehemplo, kulit.
Second time. Excuse me, guys.
Have you eaten yet?
Not yet.
I think it's ready now.
Saging, tara.
Ang gantong kulay ko.
Alright.
Sorry.
I have a headache.
Pabunot natin.
Nakaon pa ba?
Papa.
You eat.
Langgan.
Eat still.
No? Busog naman ako. Nakailang kain ako kanina. Tinapay.
Yeah,
Yung
but
binigay mo sa akin.
Oh.
Gawa ni... Just
I made it, but she told me to give you bread.
tinapay ni Nini.
Just. That's just.
Ang tataka eh. Naka-apat na ako eh.
Oh, you're cheeky.
Abo.
Go eat.
Nagugutom.
Okay, yung goods pa. Goods lang. Wala akong gana. Goods na ako. Nakailang tinapay din naman ako eh. Nakailang tinapay din ako. Okay lang ako.
She wants you to eat, bro. Go eat.
Gusto lang niya siya yung kakain ng tira.
Oh, you're giving me a headache. Wow, you're so relaxing chair. You know, the more you put it up and down, it's gonna let go soon.
Soy! Nagawa mo na? Nagawa mo na? Ano yan?
Hindi ako napagod. Bumubuhat.
I know. How come?
Hindi ko kasi iniisip na bumubuhat ako. Iniisip ko si Johnny Binso eh. Kasi ramdam ko naman na nomination yun.
Oh.
Iniisip ko kung magiging nomination, patay. Nakuha nila yung pangatlo, pangapat na spot eh.
Yeah.
Eh parang nakakargo ko ba? At sumunod lang naman sila sa akin. Oh, gusto pa ako. Nakailang tinapay din oh. Wala akong gana eh.
Oh,
Ay, dito, dito.
sa freezer.
I already ate.
Kumain ka na.
Hindi pa. Kain na.
Kain ka na.
Ano?
Kumain ka na.
Ate tayo sa ulam.
Kain ka na.
Ate tayo sa ulam.
Gusto pa ako. Kakain naman ako pag gutom ako.
Kata.
Gusto pa nga ako. Nakailang tinapay ako. Yan sila Kuya Dong. Yan sila Kuya Dong. Sila Kuya Dong. Sa labas. Ikaw nagkain ka na.
Oh. Because I took medicine already.
Sa'yo wala na to? Or ano ba to? Tiktik ka?
I already ate, bro.
Uy, tapos yan.
Sabi ako. Nakakulog.
Kain.
Sure.
Go eat.
Gusto pa nga ako.
Kain ka na.
Tinapay.
Isa lang yun.
Hindi, ang dami nun.
Isa lang yun.
Huwag kang mag-alala, busog pa ako.
Kain ka.
Oo nga.
Hindi ka.
Kakain naman ako pag gutom ako.
Kailan? Di pa patulog ka na ni Kuya.
Okay, hindi na ako gugutom.
Oh,
Ikaw,
my headache is
kain ka.
healing. I already ate. I think you already know that. Why are you asking me? I think my headache is going away. Oh, when was the last time you were killing? 1 minute ago.